Top 7 diabetic friendly smoothie. Low sugar smoothie ingredients: 8-ounce unsweetened soya milk, 1 cup spinach, apple pieces, 1/4 cup plain non-fat yogurt, 1 cup cooked oats, cooled, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Soya milk, besides their supposed blood pressure lowering effects, isoflavones have been reported in some studies is to lower blood glucose and insulin levels. Spinach is an excellent source of many other antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and manganese. Medical science knows that oxidative stress is a key contributor to numerous health problems including high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Apples are a great fruit option for diabetics. Some fruits contain a very high amount of carbohydrates that can cause high blood sugar levels in diabetics. Tend to contain less carbohydrates per serving and constitute excellent fruit options for all diabetics. Low-fat yogurt naturally contains both high-quality carbohydrates and protein, making it an excellent food for slowing or preventing an unhealthy rise in blood sugar. Studies also show that a diet high in calcium from yogurt and other calcium-rich foods is associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Oatmeal to your diabetes diet include. It can help regulate blood sugar thanks to the high fiber and low glycemic index. It's heart healthy and can lower cholesterol. It may reduce the need for insulin injections or the amount of insulin injections needed. Chia seeds, diabetes. Health food fans have been taking up chia seeds for years. Now, some studies show benefit for these seeds in diabetes. They are high in fiber, rich in healthy omega-3 fats, actually higher than salmon, and are also high in calcium and antioxidants. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. By taking this regularly, you can reduce diabetes in a very short period of time. Mango and coconut oil smoothie. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon virgin coconut oil, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint, ½ cup organic mango, and coconut milk. Virgin coconut oil, the best results in terms of diabetes that we have seen from user testimonials over the years has been from those who replaced toxic vegetable oils with healthier fats such as coconut oil and reduced their refined carbohydrate intake with higher amounts of healthy fats in their diet. Mint. Peppermint is also used as an herbal medicine, especially for digestive and skin problems. It may also help diabetics who have indigestion, bloating, and nerve complications. Mangoes. Mango contains a lot of natural sugar. A number of studies have shown that the fruit is actually very good for the blood sugar management of the body. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin C, thiamine, vitamin B1, folate, potassium, manganese, copper, selenium, iron, phosphorus, and potassium. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Mango and coconut oil smoothie is ready to serve. Nutty smoothie. For this we need ingredients: 12 cashew nuts, ½ cup bananas, ½ cup pineapple, ½ cup yogurt, and water. Cashews have lower risks for type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Their C-reactive protein, a major marker of inflammation levels, were lower. Bananas are rich in iron. They are high in nutrient and minerals. Pineapple. Pineapple can be a healthy choice for people with diabetes. Certain fruits contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can be beneficial to your diet. Low-fat yogurt naturally contains both high-quality carbohydrates and protein, making it an excellent food for slowing or preventing an unhealthy rise in blood sugar. Studies also show that a diet high in calcium from yogurt and other calcium-rich foods is associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients into it, add some water and blend well. nutty smoothie is ready to serve. Kiwi pineapple smoothie. Ingredients: 2 kiwi fruits, half cup pineapple chunks, half cup cucumber chopped, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and coconut milk. Kiwi. Due to its fiber and fructose found in kiwi fruits, the glycemic index is extremely low. This means that eating this fruit will not increase blood sugar level significantly. It contains inositol necessary for controlling blood sugar levels in diabetics. Pineapple. Pineapple can be a healthy choice for people with diabetes. Certain fruits contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can be beneficial to your diet. Lemon juice. Lemon water is good for diabetics as a means of controlling blood sugar levels. Lemon juice is good for diabetics mainly because of its high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the body's immune system and has a beneficial effect on heart health. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin C, thiamine, vitamin B1, folate, potassium, manganese, copper, selenium, iron, phosphorus. Take a blended jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Kiwi pineapple smoothie is ready to serve. Low-calorie ginger carrot apple smoothie. Ingredients: 5 grams ginger, 1 medium carrot sliced, 1 medium apple sliced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon cinnamon, and water. Ginger has been shown to help reduce blood sugar levels and help regulate insulin response in people with diabetes. In one 2014 animal study, obese rats with diabetes were given a mix of cinnamon and ginger. These rats experienced a wealth of benefits, including reduced body weight. Carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and K, vitamin C and potassium and manganese, complex vitamin B with folate, phosphorus and vitamin E in smaller quantities. Apple. Apples helps stabilize blood sugar levels in addition to providing other health benefits. Cinnamon. The researchers found the cinnamon cut cholesterol by about 18% and blood sugar levels by 24%. Lemon juice. Lemon water is good for diabetics as a means of controlling blood sugar levels. Lemon juice is good for diabetics mainly because of its high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the body's immune system and has a beneficial effect on heart health. Take a blended jar, add all the ingredients, add some water and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Now, low-calorie ginger carrot apple smoothie is ready to serve. Fat-burning green tea and vegetable smoothie. Ingredients: 2 cauliflower florets, 2 pineapple spears, green tea to the fill line. Cauliflower. The American Diabetes Association recommends eating half of one's plate or at least 3 to 5 servings of non-starchy vegetables per day. 1 serving is equal to half cup cooked or 1 cup raw. Non-starchy vegetables are encouraged because of the nutrition contributions they make to our diabetes. They are high in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals. I would like to encourage you to use cauliflower as part of this recommendation for people with diabetes. Pineapple. Pineapple can be a healthy choice for people with diabetes. Certain fruits contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can be beneficial to your diet. Green tea. Green tea contains high amounts of polyphenols and antioxidants. Polyphenols are known to have antioxidative properties which can help protect against inflammation and carcinogens. It has been shown that these properties in tea can help to prevent type 2 diabetes as well as some cancers. Epigallocatechin gallate EGCG is the key polyphenol in green tea. It is known to be the main attributable factor to the beneficial health effects of green tea. Through a complex biochemical reaction, EGCG in green tea helps sensitize cells so they are better able to metabolize sugar, which is beneficial for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Take a blended jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Fat-burning green tea and vegetable smoothie is ready to serve. Your diabetes symptoms will disappear within few days with this amazing natural recipe. There are two main types of diabetes. Type 1, when the pancreas does not produce any insulin. Type 2, when the body cells does not react to insulin or the pancreas does not produce enough insulin. What causes diabetes? The general cause for the appearance of diabetes is unknown. Diet, genetics, obesity, and lack of exercise may play some role in developing especially type 2 diabetes. What are the symptoms of diabetes? Frequent urination, extreme thirst, unusual weight loss, blurry vision, increased tiredness, extreme hunger. How does diabetes affect my body? As time passes, the high blood sugar levels can lead to numerous diseases like, for example, heart disease, kidney disease, and blindness. This excess of sugar in the bloodstream can also harden or narrow your arteries and damage the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys and eyes. Doctors usually prescribe their patients with numerous medicines every day. Others inject insulin every day. They can even pose a threat because they are full of chemicals. Here is a natural remedy which can help you control diabetes. It is much cheaper than medicines and can't harm you because it is natural. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 bag of cloves, that is 1 tablespoon, 1.5 liters of bottled water. Preparation: take a bowl, add some water and allow it to boil. Now add some cinnamon sticks and some cloves and boil again for 10 minutes. Leave this water to cool and store in a refrigerator. Drink 1 deciliter water every morning on an empty stomach. When you notice that there is enough water for only 4 days, prepare a new dose. Drink 3 bottles of this medicine. Then take a 15 days break. This natural remedy is excellent for people who suffer from diabetes. You will save money and you will get rid of diabetes in only 5 days. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.